It's unfair, I found love. It made me say that get back. You'll never see daylight if I'm not strong. It just
They figure me a dead motherfucker, but I'm just a motherfucker that wanna be best. No living with the lead in his head, turning me into his friend. That bitches use me as a fucking best friend.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. So I thought it would be the perfect day to go get the exhaust done on my car. So for the time being, I'm only having them remove the resonators, basically straight pipe it. I'm gonna get before and after clips so you guys could hear what it sounds like stock exhaust, and then with the resonator delete after that. I have not started this car yet. I'm gonna set the camera up behind the car and it's a cold start, so you guys get to hear what it sounds like, and then we're gonna go to the shop. So yeah, that is basically how the car sounds stock. I'm gonna go to the shop right now and have them take out the resonators and then straight pipe it, and we'll get some clips of that. Alright, what's going on, everybody? So it is the next day. I decided I would wait till the next day to show you guys the exhaust, so I can give you a fresh cold start a little bit later today. I'm gonna go to the forest and get some driving clips for you guys. Alright guys, so I am at the woods right now. I'm gonna set the camera up probably back here somewhere and get some clips of the exhaust. You can see this is all they did is took out, there were pipes right here, took that out, straight piped it, but as you can see I still have, if it'll focus, you can't really see it, but down over there I still have my mufflers and everything. So let me set up my camera. I'm gonna do a couple revs and then I'm gonna drive off and come back so you guys can listen to it, hear how it sounds. So yeah, that is how the car sounds. Just resonator delete and straight pipe. I personally, I feel like it's kind of raspy and it's kind of high pitched. I feel like it could definitely be a lot better. What I'm gonna end up doing is taking out my mufflers and having them put a cross pipe. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If anybody has any questions or comments, please leave them below. I think that's it. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Peace out.